Last year I made one of my first videos on this channel in my backyard, talking about, what I'm gonna wear during the summertime and everything that's aesthetically pleasing. And throughout the fall, winter, spring, I've obviously been showing you guys a lot of videos, unboxing or product reviews or size review, whatever you want to call it. But I thought now that, summer is really full force and this is my favorite time of year to get dripped out, to have the best outfits and have people going, ah damn, not only for the kicks, but for the fits, for the people that know. So I thought I would make a little video showing you guys how I style a lot of this stuff. So there's gonna be a few outfits I throw together, nice and simple, that I'll wear, at least once or twice a week, at least one of these outfits all summer long. So no further ado, let's get into the outfits that I really like and that I've picked up over the winter, whatever, Here's my summer outfits of this year. Let's go. Alright, first outfit you can see, we got the Adidas in a large, little bit oversized Adidas logo in the middle. A little hard to see unless I walk straight up and let you guys see there. Cool thing about this shirt is the back. I love the backing of it. It really hits with the shoes. Because those Wave Runners, it's just fire. So we got the Wave Runners, Under Armour cargo shorts, nice. You got pockets on the side. Great for going to, theme parks like Wonderland or any amusement parks so things don't fall out. All that extra space. So once again, Adidas, Under Armour, Adidas. Full fitted out. This is probably my favorite summer outfit of the year. We got the Neil Barrett up top, ASRV Silverlight shorts, 2-in-1s, and we got the Acronym Blazers on feet. These things, it just goes together so well, so fire. Let's get to the sides. Back it up. And that's it. Now this is almost the same as the previous, but this outfit, we still got the ASRV, the white and black, Blazers on the feet, I love Acronym, but I got one of my favorite brands locally, that's Parlor 23. They got the Lucky Cat, they got the menu of all the stuff they sold on the first day of opening. Next one. Now with this fit, we got the Acronym Hopeful Bird shirt. You got the bird there, big bird on back. Next we got some black on black 2-in-1 ASRV shorts, and still Acronym, always Acronym. This summer is an Acronym. This is going to probably be my shoe of the year. Anyways, Acronym Blazers once again. Can't go out in the summer without having some Stony on me, so we got the Stone Island shirt, big logo, big monogram Stone Island, ASRV black on black 2-in-1, and then we got the Skepta Air Maxes, Tailwinds. These things are fire. This outfit, I love this outfit. It just works so well together. Finally, gotta throw something a little hyped up for my hype fans. Right now we got Supreme Mike Tyson for all of my boxing fans out there, fight fans. Nice 2-in-1 ASRV. And any shoes will do, just something hype for Big Man Mike. And that's it. Alright guys, so that is just some of the outfits that I will be wearing this summer. As you can see, I like wearing a lot of 2-in-1, a lot of black, a lot of athletic things. From, designer brands or athletic brands. That's usually the things I go to. Just because I want to be able to move around and look good at the same time. Anyways, comment below if there's anything that you like, or you have a question about in the comments, and let's start a conversation. Till next time guys, take it easy.